Alright, class. Today we're diving into the exciting world of presentations using MS PowerPoint 2016.
But why do we need presentations?
That's a great question. Presentations help make your ideas more engaging and easy to understand. Instead of just talking, you can use pictures, words, and even animations to captivate your audience.
Presentations are all about making information come to life in a visually appealing way.
So, how do we get started with PowerPoint?
Let's begin by opening the program. First, turn on your computer.
Opening PowerPoint is as simple as clicking on the icon and waiting for it to load. Once it's open, you'll see the welcome screen with various options to start a new presentation or open an existing one.
Now that we've opened PowerPoint, let's explore its different parts. The title bar, ribbon, slide pane, slides thumbnail pane, notes pane, and status bar are all essential parts of the PowerPoint window. Each part serves a specific purpose to help you create and navigate your presentations more efficiently. Now, let's create our own presentation. Start by choosing a design theme that fits your topic or style. Now, let's add some slides and insert content like text and images. Remember to save your work regularly to avoid losing any progress. PowerPoint also has an autosave feature to help with this. Now that we've created our presentation, let's learn how to open and run a slideshow. And there you have it. You're now ready to share your creativity and knowledge with others through your amazing presentations.
With PowerPoint, the possibilities are endless. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and dazzle your audience with captivating presentations.